It's time now to look at windows. There are lots of different types of windows. For example, some of the most common ones are awning windows. So they are hinged at the top and wind out at the bottom. There's also hopper windows. So they're kind of the opposite. They're hinged at the bottom and wind in at the top. Sometimes these are called fan lights when they're above a door in the old Victorian places. Double hung windows are probably the most common and the draughtiest windows there are. Lots of people know these as sash windows. So you know the ones, they've got the little latch in the middle and you lift the sash, bottom sash up, and occasionally the top sash is not painted in place and you can pull that one down. If you can actually do that, it's quite good for ventilation. But most often, the top sash has been well and truly painted in place and hasn't moved for a long time. Another common window is the casement. So the casement is hinged down the side in some way and opens pretty much like a hinged door. But there are various different kinds of hinges and there are lots and lots of operating mechanisms for those, and we'll see how they determine what kind of seals can be applied in those circumstances. There's also sliding windows, although they're not very common. So they're the kinds of windows that very often we need to look at and determine if there is a draught issue and how we might address that.